In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Word document on Google Drive so you can easily collaborate with others and access your files anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com in the address bar and signing in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, click on the New button located on the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Now, locate your Microsoft Word document on your computer, click on it, and then click Open. Your file will begin uploading to Google Drive. After the upload is complete, you'll see your document listed in your drive. Next, right-click on the file and select Share. A new window will appear where you can manage access to your document. Now, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can choose their permission level by selecting either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what you want them to do with the document. If you prefer to share using a link, click on Copy Link. Then adjust the access settings to Anyone with the link if needed, and choose the appropriate permission level. After that, you can paste and send the link through email, chat, or any messaging platform. Once everything is set, click Send if you added specific people, or simply share the copied link. Now your Microsoft Word document is successfully shared on Google Drive, making it easy for others to view or collaborate with you in real time. And that's it. You now know how to share a Microsoft Word document using Google Drive quickly and easily. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.